India has become the only country that practices state-sponsored terrorism as policy at home and abroad. Its hypocrisy is well exposed. It cannot hide anymore its aiding, abetting, and financing of terrorism in Pakistan, its covert terrorist networks across the region and the globe, and its reign of terror in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Through its proxies like TTP, BLA, and Majid Brigade, Indian-sponsored terrorism has not just claimed lives of thousands of innocent civilians in Pakistan, it has turned places of worship, learning, and livelihood into sites of carnage. Pakistan's sacrifices in the global fight against terrorism have for long been recognized by the international community. This forum certainly needs no sermon from an aggressor, occupier, and perpetrator of state-sponsored terrorism. Pakistan not only condemned, but also called for credible, impartial, and independent investigation into Pahalgam incident.